One of the notable new features in macOS Sonoma is a collection of 27 slow-motion screensavers that ultimately become your desktop wallpaper after you sign in. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hack this feature so that you can swap out Apple's footage with your own. That's coming up next on Tech Talk America. Hey folks, and welcome to the class. In order to swap out Apple's video wallpaper, we do need to pull a little digital trickery, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process. The first thing I want to do is teach you how to navigate to the part of your Mac where Apple stores these video wallpapers, because as you're about to see, they are buried deep in the System Library folder. From your desktop, I want you to click on the Go menu at the top and then click on Computer. Now, double-click on Macintosh HD, followed by Library. Next, let's navigate to the Application Support folder, and here at the top of this list, you're going to look for a folder called com.apple.idleassets.d. From here, you should see a folder called Customer, and finally, look for a folder called 4K SDR 240 FPS. If you don't see many files in this list, you'll need to head over to System Settings, then click on Wallpaper, and then click on any of these wallpapers. When you do, they download from the internet to your Mac, and this is the location where they are saved. Okay, this next part is a little bit confusing, so let me explain. The length of the clip that you use needs to identically match the length of any one of these shots. The reason why is the code in the Mac references these specific file names and file lengths. For this example, I'm going to use this shot that I captured with my drone while I was vacationing in Provincetown. This shot is 3 minutes and 52 seconds in length. So now let's go back to this folder where the video wallpapers live, and I'm going to tap the spacebar to launch Quick Look. If we look at the bottom right of the window, you'll see the length of the shot. Now, using the arrow keys on my keyboard, I can tap the down arrow to switch to a quick look of the next file, and I'll also see its length. When I went through the files in the library folder, I found this aerial shot of the LA freeway, which is 3 minutes and 30 seconds long. Before we proceed, can I just say, if you think the idea of a relaxing desktop background is LA traffic, you need therapy, preferably electroshock. Using Final Cut Pro, I ever so slightly sped up my shot to make it match 3 minutes and 30 seconds in length. Now, all I have to do is move my file into that folder. Next, I'll copy the name of the shot that we're replacing, delete that file, and then rename my shot so that it has the old file name. And just like that, if I go into System Settings, navigate to Wallpaper, and then click on the thumbnail of the LA freeway, it now displays my video instead. Just like the other video wallpapers, if the Mac goes to the screensaver or lock screen, the video begins to play. Once I sign in with my password, the video background comes to a stop. Now at this point, you're probably wondering if there is a way to make the video keep playing. And the answer is, there is. It does require a third-party app. It's $5, and I made a video tutorial on how to do that a few weeks ago. So be sure to watch that video next. Don't forget to click the like button, and thanks for watching. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.